Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, friends, if you want to give your home or office a luxurious marble look without breaking the walls, so today we are diving into the world of PVC wall marble sheets, which are the game changer for affordable, stunning interior designs. So, stick around to know what they are and why they are very popular nowadays and how you can install them by yourself, or if you can't install these sheets, so how much it will cost to install, the labor cost. So in this video I will going to tell you everything. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. A PVC marble sheet, also called the UV marble sheets, which are synthetic panels made from PVC resin and some stone powder, which are designed to mimic the look of real marble. They are very lightweight, durable, and comes in tons of colors and patterns, from classic, it's look like a real marble. So you can look at this wall, it looks like high-end marble, but it is actually the PVC marble sheets, because the sheets are perfect for living rooms, bedroom, kitchens, bathroom, or even in the commercial place like office and restaurants, because they are waterproof, fire resistant, and super easy to clean. So you can, nowadays this type of sheets have become the more popular. Now maybe you have little some doubts that why to go for PVC marble sheets. So here are the some top reasons. First is the cost effective. Like you get that luxurious marble vibe for way less than the natural stone. Another reason is the easy to install. So no heavy tools or pro skills needed, perfect for interior designs. It is very low in maintenance. Just wipe with a damp cloth and they are in good as new. Use them for walls, ceilings, furniture, or even in the backsplash. And it is more durable. They are water resistant, stain proof, and even the termite proof also. So for installing this process, install this is a, you can stick them directly to a flat wall with adhesive. Use sealant or snap with the aluminum clips. Or if you have little bit of doubts, you can check that YouTube, where you will get lots of videos which are available for installing the PVC installation process, which are step by step. The sheets can be used anywhere in your house, like living room, bedrooms, kitchens. The sheets are so versatile that transform your any space to a modern look and add elegance to your living rooms, feature walls. They are also hit in the commercial place like hotels, stores. Unlike the real marble, the sheets are lightweight and flexible, so you can cut them into fit any space. They come in size like 4 by 8, making them perfect for big or small projects. So each sheet almost cover the 32 square feet area, and the price will for each sheet is 2300 to 2500 rupees, because it totally depends upon the quality also. So let's take some example. Like if you want to install like 150 area square feet, so almost you require 5 sheets, and each sheet price is 2500. So the total price will cost you almost 12,500 rupees for the materials, and another materials which are required is adhesive. So it will almost cost you almost 15,000 rupees for 150 square feet area walls. And if you'll go with the real natural stones, it will cost you almost double, 30 to 35,000 rupees, because the almost natural marble will cost you almost 20 to 25,000 rupees, and for installing this, labor will cost you almost charge will you 8 to 10,000 rupees for this. So it totally depends upon our budget also. But nowadays these PVC marble sheets are more popular because it will give you the feel of real marble stones, and it is easy to install and it is budget friendly also. So here are the tips for buying and installing, like check always the quality, look for UV coated sheets for extra durability and scratch resistance. Make sure the design matches your rooms. So a flat or clean surface is key for easy installations. So these are the points to remember. So friends, PVC marble sheets are the perfect way to add the luxury and styles to any space without the hefty of the price. So friends, if you like my videos, then drop a comment below and let us know that whether you use the sheets or what is the price in your area. So friends, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more home decor tips. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again, and I will see you in the next